To factorize this, we're going to use exactly the same process as what we did previous video, okay? But because of the coefficients, okay, of x squared is 4, okay, we just need to multiply 4 by 7 first, yeah? 4 times 7 is 28, right? Now, because of 4, okay, is the coefficient of x squared, we need to write 4x, okay, and because it's a plus, we just copy that that side out. So 4 plus, and then 4 plus, okay, and then divide by 4. Now, we need to ask ourselves a question: what time what give me 28? Add to give me 11. Okay, so it's 7 and 4. Now, it doesn't matter where I put, okay, because of the 4 or 7, because both are positive. So 7 here, 4 there. Now I take the common factor out. The common factor of this group here is 4. So I take the 4 out, that cancel out, that give me 1. Okay, so 4 cancel with this 4. So your answer is 4x plus 7 and x plus 1. Alright, now let's do second one. Let's say 2, let's say this one here, let's say 2m, I squeeze this in here. 2m squared, okay, plus 11m plus 5. Okay, now because of a plus, so we have to copy the both plus, this plus here, because this is a plus, we just copy whatever that side is, because it's 2m as well, 2m squared. So that means we write 2m first, add, okay, 2m, add, all over 2. Okay, so if it's 10, you over 10, 100 over 100, and then if it's 100m squared, so 100m, 100m. Just keep that in mind. That's the only difference from previous exercise. So 2 times 5 is 10, correct? We look at this first. 2 times 5 is 10. So you ask yourself question, what times what give me 10? Add to give me 11. So that should be 10 and 1. So it doesn't matter which one it is. So I take the common factor out. The common factor is 2. So I take the 2 out for this group. I take the 2 out, that cancel out, that give me 5. Then the 2 cancel out. So your answer is m plus 5 and 2m plus 1. Okay? Now, let's move on. Let's say this is 3p squared minus 11p plus 6. Okay? Now, because of this plus, we just copy this out. So this is 3p minus, okay, 3p minus, right, and over 3. Now, 3 times 6 is 18, okay. So now, what time what give me 18? Add, okay, add to give me 11, okay. So which is, what time what give me 18? Add give me 11. So should be 9 and 2. Again, doesn't matter where I put 9 or 2, because both are negative. So I put 9 here, 2 here, right? So I take the 3 out, because this group here, the first bracket, the 3 is a common factor. I take the 3 out, that cancel, left with 1, and this is left with 3. So I cancel this out. So your answer is p minus 3, 3p minus 2. Okay? So that's how it goes. Okay, next one. Let's say 3y squared plus 14y plus 8. Okay, so 3 times 8 is 24. Okay, then we just write, because it's a plus, so we just copy this side down. So that means 3y plus, okay, and 3y plus, and then everything over 3. Now, what time what give me 24? Add to give me 14. Okay, so obviously 24, 3 and 8, add give me 11. Alright, so it's not good. And then the best one is 12 and 2. The 12 times 2 is 24. Okay, and add to give me 14. So 12 and 4. And again, doesn't matter where I put 12 or 2, because both are positive. So 12 and 2 are put in front. So now I take the 3 out, because this group is common factor is 3. So I take it out, that give me 4, and this 3 cancel with that. So therefore, your answer is y plus 4 and then 3y plus 2. Right? Okay. Let's do next one. Let's say 5y squared plus 4y minus 12. Okay. Now, step number 1, 5 times 12 is 60. Okay. Step number 2, you look at this side is a positive. It's a negative. So therefore, difference. So it doesn't matter what that side is. I just put 1 plus 1 minus. So 5y plus, okay, and 5y minus. Keep that in mind. When this side here is a negative, you should put 1 plus 1 minus. All right? And then over 5. Now, what time what give me 60? Okay, the difference, because it's minus. Minus means different. The difference is 4. Okay, so what time what give me 60? The difference is 4. So obviously, okay, 6 times 10. Okay, now it comes with practice. If you do a lot of practice and you just come with the number quickly. So 6 times 10 is 60, right? And the difference is 4. Okay, or 30. So look, if you think about 30 times 2, the difference is 28. It's no good. And you just list them out until you find the products that different is 4 and time together give me 60. Now I got this now because it's a positive 4. So therefore, the bigger number must be on the positive side. So this must be 10. Okay, this must be 6. Now, this group here, 5 and 10. So 5 is a common factor. I take the 5 out, cancel it out. That give me 2. So this cancel out. So your answer is y plus 2 and then 5y minus 6. That's your answer. Okay? Let's move along. Okay. Now, let's say 4x squared plus 8x minus 45. Now, because this is negative, of course, we're going to put 1 plus 1 minus straight away. Okay, 1 plus and then 4x minus. See? So what time what give me 45? Okay. Sorry, not 45. 45 times 4 first, of course. I beg your pardon. Lost the plot. Look, sorry about that. So you time together. Okay, 4 times this give me 180. Correct? You double 45, you double again, give me 180. Now, then you ask yourself questions. What time what give me 180? Okay, and the difference is 8. Okay, so what time what give me 180 and the difference is 8. So you have to list all the combinations. Okay, so if you list them out, it can take you a while, but you can use calculator, of course, and then you should recognize that is 18 times 10. See, 18 times 10 is 180, and the difference is 8, correct? And don't forget over 4, of course, because the 4 is a coefficient of x squared, okay? So you go 18 and 10, because the negative, okay, so 18 must be the positive side, because 18 is the larger number, because the positive, the larger number on the positive side, 18 and 10. Now I take common factor out for each group. Now 18 and 4, okay, the common factor is, what is it? Of course it's 2, because the 2 is a common factor for this. So you take the 2 out, give me 2, that give me 9. The common factor of 4 and 10 is 2. You take the 2 out, that give me 2, that give me 5. Now these two times together give me 4. So I cancel it out. So your answer is 2x plus 9 and 2x minus 5. Okay, that is your answer. Let's move along. Okay, so now next one is, let's say 6x squared, okay, plus 13x plus 6. Okay, so now because it's a positive, so I just positive this side, I'll just copy that out. So 6x plus, right? 6x plus. And everything divided by 6. Now, 6 times 6 is 36. Okay? So you need to ask yourself a question. What time what give me 36? Add, because it's plus here. Add to give me 13. So 36, 4 and 9. Okay, and 12 and 3, but I stopped because 4 and 9 is 36, add, give me 13. So 4 and 9, doesn't matter where I put 4 or 9 because both are positive. So I just quickly put 4 here, 9 here. Now, then I take out common factor. Now, the common factor for 6 and 4 is 2. You take it out, that give me 3. You take it out, that give me 2. You take the 6 and 9, you take the 3 out, that give me 2. You take the 3 out, give me 3. 3 times 2 is 6, so you cancel out. So your answer would be 3x at 2 and then 2x at 3. Okay? And let's do one more. Thank you for listening, okay? And watching as well. So let's say 8m squared minus 6m minus 5. Okay? Now, because it's a minus, I just put 1 plus and 1 minus straight away. am plus, okay, am minus. Then I divide by 8 because the coefficient is 8. Yeah? Remember that. Now, 5 times 8 is, because it's 5 times 8 is 40. Okay? Now, what time what give me 40? Because it's minus, means the difference is 6. What is it? 4 and 10. Right? The difference is 6. But because this time, okay, the negative is 6m. So negative 6m. So negative must be on a bigger number. So this is 10 here. This is 4 here. See? Now, I take out common factor. For this group, first one is 4 is a common factor. So I take the 4 out. That give me 2. That give me 1. 8 and 10, the common factor is 2. So that give me 4. That give me 5. So 4 times 2 is 8. You cancel out. So your answer is 2m plus 1. And then 4m minus 5. Thank you so much for watching my video.